Oh, hi. Today is Sunday. Not too much going on today, but I did find some items in the refrigerator that I'm going to make. It's a pinwheel croissant wedge type thing. I'll show you as I make it. Get started on that, and I'll show you how that's done. I seen it on the Tasty program, and it looks really good. I made one before, but I think I put too much ingredients on there. But anyway, thanks for watching, and let's get started. So I found some smoked Gouda cheese, some premium deli smoked ham, deli shaved smoked ham, and then another smoked ham, some crescent rolls folded up into a pinwheel. So I made one of these before, so maybe you remember, but that's what I'll start to do. My husband brought home a copper oven liner, and I cut it to fit my pan, and I am going to give it a try. I think you can just reuse it all the time, so it's pretty neat. It's really light duty, and it's a lot like paper, but it says it's a copper oven liner, so I'm anxious to see how that works. When you unfold the crescent rolls, they're already shaped like a triangle, so that makes it a lot easier to make it into a pinwheel. I'll show you how that goes. Put a bowl in the middle, and then you just set the triangles out all around your bowl. Later, if you want to, you could put a sauce in the bowl, like a dipping sauce, after this is all done. But while you're cooking it, I believe you take the bowl out, and then you'll have a circle, but you can put, your dipping sauce right back in there. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. I can't remember how long it takes, but I'll have to look that up. And then you just take your pastry and fold it in once you have all your ingredients on there. And you can take the bowl out for this part. Hey, lovely friends, I'm all done with this, and I'm sure if you make it, it's going to look a lot better than mine. But you just put it in the oven until half hour, maybe 20 minutes. I still haven't looked that up yet, but I'm going to put it in the oven now, and it's really thick with meat and cheese. Alright, so what I did is I put a little bit of butter in a bowl, and I'm going to microwave it for a little bit and then add garlic powder or salt to it. And then I'm going to put that over the top of the ring that I made. Alright, so it looks like it's getting pretty browned, and I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Get some light on. So I'm just going to take some of that butter, garlic butter that I talked about, and just kind of go around the top a little bit, and then put it back in the oven for a little bit so it can keep cooking but not burn the crust. So hope it turns out okay. Yeah? What? You do? Well, I'll end here for today, but I really hope you try this recipe. It's so easy and fast and delicious. With a little bit of milk, it's gonna be even better. But anyway, quote of the day is, if you're not a subscriber already, I hope you'll subscribe and then push the little bell for more videos. Have a great day.